Hey there, it's Dez for Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're introducing the new TCL 20XE, a big display, triple camera, and a powerful battery, all on T-Mobile's nationwide network. Let's check it out. The TCL 20XE has a large 6.52-inch HD Plus display with NXT Vision. The 20XE is equipped with a 13-megapixel AI triple camera system, featuring a 2-megapixel macro lens and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The 20XE has a 5,000 mAh long-lasting battery featuring USB-C 18-watt fast charging. It also features reverse charging so you can share some power with a friend in need. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. With the 20XE, you can securely access your files and content with the rear fingerprint sensor or through facial recognition. The TCL 20XE is powered by a MediaTek P22 processor. It runs on Android 11, has 3 gigs of RAM, and 32 gigs of storage with a microSD card slot to expand your storage capabilities. Now in the box, you'll find the new TCL 20XE, a quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and fast charger. The new TCL 20XE, featuring a big display, AI triple camera, and powerful battery, all on T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check it out now at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.